Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add supplier invoices or bills on QuickFile accounting software. To add a supplier invoice, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Enter New Purchase. Or if you access all purchases list, then you can add a new supplier invoice by clicking on this blue button Create. Select your supplier or add a new supplier by clicking on New and providing details and simple contact card. So I will have phone bill from Phone Limited. Add a supplier invoice number here. So I have phone 0822. Select the date. In my case, it's 15th of August, and payment terms is 30 days to pay. Category, amended. In my case, it's telephone costs, so telephone mobile charges, monthly phone charge, and add a total amount here. So I have £30. If you need to add multiple lines, click on this plus sign, and it will provide another line for you to add details for another line, for example, like admin charges. Or if you do not need any other lines, click on this red cross and line will be removed. You can provide project tags if you used those, and we can mark this invoice as paid if payment has been made already for this supplier invoice. Otherwise, don't add details, don't tick this one, and click Save Details. Now this purchase has been created. To attach support document, we need to click here. And to attach support files, we can click on Browse and select our support document there, and it will be uploaded below. In this episode, I showed you how you can add a supplier invoices on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.